Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. The essentials of fasting juice liver detox. Detoxification is a process that one cannot do without, especially in this world laden with toxins these days. There are a lot of methods that you can try for such a process. There are some that need supplements that you would have to purchase. But there are also some that have no need for supplements at all. One of these is fasting juice liver detox. And this is indeed one of the popular detox methods being used these days. The typical period for this fasting juice liver detox process is just about a day to 3 days. Fasting juice liver detox should be done for just a short period of time. This is because you will also have to make sure that your body is not too deprived of nutrients. For long-term fasting juice liver detox, the supervision of a physician or nutritionist is needed. A week before you start fasting juice liver detox, you should stop taking in alcohol, caffeine, nicotine, and fatty foods. This is to ensure that your body is ready for the fasting juice liver detox process. During the fasting juice liver detox period, the only foods you should consume are fruits, vegetables, and beans. These should be taken in along with 32 to 34 ounces of juice. Make sure that the fruits and vegetables you take in are organic. Apples and pineapples make good fruits for fasting juice liver detox. Celery, carrots, beans, and beet make great veggies as well. While you're on the fasting juice liver detox process, you might feel certain side effects, due to the inevitable lack of nutrients. Headaches, fatigue, constipation, dizziness, hunger, vomiting, diarrhea outline some of the side effects you just might encounter. These are pretty normal, and there's no need for immediate worry. But if these side effects worsen, then there just might be a need to stop the fasting juice liver detox process. Be sure to consult a physician or nutritionist regarding your medical condition right away. This is to determine just what your body needs for nutrients and such. But fasting juice liver detox is indeed quite effective. And it is being used by a lot of people worldwide because it is quite a convenient method to detoxify. Just to be on the safe side, though, it would be better to consult a physician or nutritionist before you start your fasting juice liver detox diet. This way, it can be determined whether or not your body can take the beating of a fasting juice liver detox diet. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.